3, 2, 1.
13 अगस्त 1947 ये ऑल इंडिया रेडियो लाहौर है। आप हमारे अगले ऐलान का इंतजार कीजिए। 14 अगस्त 1947 ये रेडियो पाकिस्तान लाहौर है। आपको पाकिस्तान मुबारक।
Hey guys, I wish you a very happy Pakistan's Independence Day. Let's not forget the sacrifices made by the elders to ensure that you could live freely and have a place that you could call home. So this year, spread a little kindness, treat others the way you would like to be treated. Keep your country clean the way you want your homes to be kept clean. Remember, this is your country. So make it the best version that it deserves. Long live Pakistan. Much love. God bless. Bye. Well guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and share with your family and friends. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. Subscribe to my channel. Alright guys, until next time, much love. God bless. Bye.